So the next question is, which among the following represents the correct relationship for a plasmalized cell? Options are psi of water equals psi of solute and psi of P, or solute potential plus pressure potential. Second option, solute potential equals to water potential plus pressure potential. Third option, water potential equals to solute potential. Fourth option, water potential equals to pressure potential. But ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್, that is shrinkage of protoplasm due to exosmosis when a cell is placed in hypertonic solution. So in a plasmalized cell, there is no pressure potential as all the water that has moved out of the cell. So it has only solute potential because of the presence of solutes in it. Hence there is no pressure potential. The water potential of the cell is equals to solute potential. Hence the correct option is C option, water potential equals to solute potential. The next question is, in the given schematic diagram pathway of water movement, inside the root is shown from soil to xylem. Identify the tissues involved in the steps A to C and choose the correct option accordingly. So epidermis, A endodermis, B protoxylem, C. ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉತ್ತರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚಿಸೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಹೈಪೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್, ಬಿ ಮೆಡುಲರಿ ರೇಸ್, ಸಿ ಮೆಟಾಸೈಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಾಟಮಿ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಅನಾಟಮಿ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು 3 ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. outermost epidermal tissue system, second ground tissue system, the third one stellar tissue system. Epidermal tissue system has root hairs which absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. The ground tissue is not differentiated in roots, it has only cortex. The innermost layer of cortex is the endodermis. The endodermis in roots has a specialized deposition of impermeable substance called suberin. So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎ ಹೈಪೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೈಪೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೆಡುಲರಿ ರೇಸ್, ಸೊ ಮೆಡುಲರಿ ರೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲರ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಮೆಟಾಕ್ಸೈಲಮ್, ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೈಪೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್, ಮೆಡುಲರಿ ರೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಟಾಕ್ಸೈಲಮ್. ಎ ಹೈಪೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಎ ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್, ಸಿ ಮೆಟಾಕ್ಸೈಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೇಯರು ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಎ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್, ಸೊ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಂಡೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ನ ನಂತರ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಂಡೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ pass to pericycle, hence the second option is also not correct. The third option A pericycle ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮೂರನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಹ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಪೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್, ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ಮೆಟಾಸೈಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎ, ಸೊ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂತರ ಎಂಡೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಡೋಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್, ಸೊ ಬಿ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಸಹ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಸೈಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ exarch, protoxylem towards the periphery and metaxylem towards the center. So pericycle ಆದ ನಂತರ water enters into protoxylem. From protoxylem it enters into metaxylem. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬಿ, ಎ ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್, ಸಿ ಮೆಟಾಕ್ಸೈಲಮ್. So dear students, we will move on to the next question. The next question is transpiration pull, one of the important factor in the movement of xylem sap in a tree is a result of options ಗಳು ನೋಡೋಣ. Cohesive nature of water, capillary size of xylem tube, transpiration at the leaf surface, all of the above. Transpiration pull is the suction force generated due to the process of transpiration at the leaf surfaces. This suction force or transpiration pull is not only responsible for the upward movement of water. In addition to this, the properties of cohesion, adhesion, capillarity, surface tension are also very important. So look at the first option A, cohesive nature of water. See, cohesion is the attraction between dissimilar molecules. It is the attraction between water and the pectocellulosic cell wall of xylem. Adhesion, it is the force of attraction between similar molecules, that is water molecules. Capillarity, the rise of water column in narrow xylem tubes. The fourth one, surface tension. The water molecules are attracted more in liquid phase rather than gaseous phase. So ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ cohesive nature of water ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, capillary size of xylem tube, transpiration at the leaf surface. ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ transpiration pull, that is upward movement of water and minerals takes place. Hence D, all of the above options are correct. So hence the right option is all of the above. So dear students, now we will move on to the question related to guttation. The question is, which of the following statement is not related to guttation? The options are A, guttation is of universal occurrence. Water is given out during early morning and late evening. C option is excreted water is impure. D, water is excreted in liquid state. So as we know that guttation is the loss of water in the form of liquid from the tip of the leaf and margin of the leaf. This guttation process involves the specialized structures, hydatodes. And when we look into the options, guttation is of universal occurrence. So we all know that guttation occurs only in herbaceous plants when the rate of transpiration is low and humidity is high. So water is given out during early morning and late evening. So in early morning and late evening, transpiration rate is less and humidity is slightly higher. Hence guttation occurs. Hence the option is correct. Excreted water is impure. As the loss of water occurs through the surfaces and endings, this water is impure as it contains organic and inorganic solutes. The fourth one, water is excreted in liquid state. Unlike in transpiration, the water is excreted or lost in the form of vapor. Here it is in the form of liquid state. Hence the correct option is guttation is of universal occurrence. So we'll move on to next question. The question is, which of the following is not a purpose of transpiration? Options are transports minerals from soil to all parts of the plant, helps in translocation of sugars from source to sink. Third option is maintain shape and structure of the plants, cools the leaf surface. See, transpiration, as we know, loss of water in the form of vapor from aerial surfaces of the plant. The transpiration helps in ascent of sap, that is upward movement of water and minerals. Hence, the first option transports minerals from soil to all parts of the plant. ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. So, maintain shape and structure of the plants. As the ascent of sap takes place, the movement of water and minerals takes place. When this water is absorbed by the cells, so the cells get turgid. So, when the cells get turgid, it maintains the shape and structure of the cells as well as tissues and organs. D, cools the leaf surface. So, as the evaporation takes place from aerial surfaces, so it cools the leaf surface. Hence, the correct option is helps in translocation of sugars from source to sink. The transpiration does not helps in translocation of food substances. Hence, the right option is the B.